Hello and welcome to Eat Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Dexter Daps is on a high after his single Call Me If sits at #1 across the Caribbean on the iTunes charts. The DJ, elated about the news, posted the 9 regions on his IG page with the caption, quote, "My Caribbean fans, look ya," and he ensured to hashtag the Grammys. The single is #1 in the Cayman Islands, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Grenada, Dominica, St. Kitts and Nevis, Belize, British Virgin Islands, and Anguilla. However, noticeably not #1 in Jamaica, Call Me If is featured on Dexter's latest album, Vent. The album sits at #10 on the iTunes Top 100 Reggae Albums chart. Now on the international scene, Paris Jackson, daughter of late pop king Michael Jackson, made her first solo debut today with the single Let Down. In a media release, the singer said she felt so many emotions but was grateful and happy. Let Down is also Paris's debut for her label, Republic Records. The singer had previously released a self-titled 5-track EP with her now ex-boyfriend Gabriel Glenn as part of their band The Soundflowers. Paris is the only daughter of the late king of pop, Michael Jackson. Now this weekend, partygoers are asked to come out in their costumes for Fame Frequency Costume Party. Organizers have promised a fun-filled event as the DJs Tropical, Roderick, Narrative, plus Dance Expressions and host Debbie Bissoon will all be in their costumes for the virtual event that runs on Fame 95 FM and RETV from 9 p.m. to midnight. Join Zoom in your costumes and you could win courtesy of Smirnoff. Remember to party responsibly. That's it for the weekend edition of Eat Prime. I'm Daedran. See you at #Fame Frequency this Saturday.